Hi, this is Chris 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're looking at the JLab Audio Epic Air Sport ANC 2nd generation, and you get 70 hours of playtime with noise canceling technology. Here's some more details on the back. You can go ahead and pause this anytime to take a look, but all of this will be in the description below. It's now connected to the Tile network, so you can find these through the Tile network, which is awesome. And it has a 2-year warranty. Here's the charging case. A lot of these ANC headphones cases do not have an integrated charging cable, but this one does from this company. Also, this logo right here means it's a wireless charging capable. So here's this USB-A integrated cable. Here's what it looks like on the inside. So these fit easily in there. And these are the sport models right here. You get IP66 wet proof with this, and auto play pause with the wear detect sensor. So that would be right there. That's the sensor. You get the sensor on both earbuds. There is a sensor right here. And this is the right sport earbud right there. And you get quite a few ear tip pieces right there. And it has custom sound with the downloadable JLab audio app, smart noise active canceling, and we like that wireless charging case. And the app is free to download, of course. We like that it has the wireless charging capability. It's a little bit larger, so if you don't like to use the flip out charging cable, you just set it down on the wireless charger and you're ready to go. These are the new JLab Audio Epic Air Sport ANC 2nd generation with an awesome 70 hours of playtime with the charging case. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.